Hello, today I would like to show you how the workspaces are organized in Dream. Let me show you. When you open a new workspace, it is not empty. It comes with four elements on it. A list of vectors, vector properties, a log view, and a time slider. If you want to add more tools on this workspace, you just have to click on the button corresponding to what you want here on the top. For example, another log view, and here a cross plot. I will drag and drop a few vectors just for visualization. Here we are. And if you want to move or change the size of one of these elements, click on this move button on top left here, and then you can click and drag the tool where you want. You see that there are a few predefined places which make the selection really easy. Here we are. Hope you enjoy, and if you like it, share it. Thank you.